Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm making one of our favorite meals. Let's get cooking. First things first, let's get the chicken in the Instapot since it takes the longest to cook. I'm going to be using a mix of chicken breast and chicken legs. The legs give the broth a richer taste and I use it to make the rice I like to eat with this meal. If you haven't already seen my video on black rice, I have it linked down in the description below. Let's forget about the Instapot and let it do its thing. When you let the pressure release on its own, the chicken comes out a lot softer. Meanwhile we wait, I'm going to grate the cheese. I'm using Monterey Jack and white cheddar. Now I'm going to partially fry the tortillas. The point of this step is to get the tortillas to absorb the sauce and to easily fold without them breaking apart. It's a really quick process. We're not actually trying to fry the tortillas here. I'm going to put my tortillas in this insulated container to keep them warm while we wait. Looks like chicken's ready. Now that all the ingredients are prepped and ready to go, I'm going to start assembling the enchiladas. I dip each of the tortillas in green salsa. If you want to see how this salsa is made, there's a link to my video on it in the description below. With the tortilla nice and coated, I put some shredded chicken and cheese inside and I fold them up. I set aside some of the cheese and salsa for the top layer. I put them in a preheated oven for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. Now comes the best part, trying it out. I basically make this meal 1 to 2 times a week because it's my husband's favorite and it just tastes so good. If you're planning on making this meal yourself, I highly recommend you make your own sauce and definitely make it alongside this garlic rice. We never eat these enchiladas without the rice. Please let me know if you love it as much as we do.